Hello friends, welcome in our channel Maulik Learning. I Suprabhat GC continue the video lecture series Complete Python Programming for Beginners. In today's video lecture, I will discuss basic of Python, that is introduction of Python. We will discuss about what is Python, what is character set in Python, what is token in Python. So before starting this video, I have request to all of you, if still you haven't subscribed our channel Maulik Learning, then please type Maulik Learning in YouTube so that you will see our channel Maulik Learning. So please click on red subscribe button and click on bell icon also, so that you will get the latest notification of our channel Maulik Learning. So let's start. So in today's video we will discuss basic of Python. Basic of Python. So first question is, what is Python? First question is, what is Python? Very big first question is, so Python is answer is Python is an object oriented programming language like Java. Object oriented programming language like Java. So it support all the feature of object oriented programming. The next thing is character set in Python. Character set in Python. So basic character set in Python, like alphabet A to Z or capital A to Z. Since Python is a case sensitive language, it means small a equals to 10 is different from capital A equals to 10. Two different variables we are declaring. So and digit from 0 to 9, and some special character also use, like has for comment, comma, dot, colon. These are used for specific purpose. Next important thing is what is token? Very important term, token. So what is token? Smallest individual unit of programming. So we can categorize tokens into different parts, like first one is keyword, then identifier, then next is data type, the next is operators, and next one is delimiters. So delimiters, so delimiters also are token. So we will discuss each token, keyword, what is keyword, what is identifier, what is data type, what is operators, what is delimiters. Next important thing is mode in Python programming. Python, two mode is used in Python. First one is first one is interactive mode, sorry. First one is interactive mode. What is the mean of interactive mode? In interactive mode, we use command cell prompt to type Python command one by one. I will show you example. And second one is script mode. In script mode, we use IDE, that is integrated development environment, like PyCharm or Python IDLE. Let's see an example. Just type in search bar Python, then you can see the Python 3.9 64-bit. This is Python command cell prompt. Here I will just type print command hello, then the output of the command is display on the command cell prompt. We will just type the command and we will see the output. And second one is IDE, that is script mode. In the script mode, we just we first completely type the script: a equals to b, b equals to 20, c equal to a plus b, then print c. This is IDE. So here we can see the output. So these two views, two mode we can use. So next thing is we discuss about tokens. In first token, that is keyword in token. First token is keyword. So what is keyword? Keywords are reserve word. Reserve word. What it mean? That is, we cannot use keyword as identifier. Okay, example of keywords are if, break, else, continue, etc. So if I write else equal to 10, then it is invalid because else is a keyword. Okay, we can't use variable name as a keyword. So now second terminology is identifier. Define variable name, function name, class name, collection name, etc. For example, name, age, AB, these are identifiers. Okay, for example, if I write like this, name equals to Ajay, so name is identifier. Similarly, age equals to 20, this is also identifier. Okay, so now you clear what is keyword, what is identifier. So rest of tokens we will discuss in next video. So this is for this video. Hope you will enjoy this video. And in last also, again I have request to you, so please subscribe our channel Maulik Learning and click on subscribe button. Thank you very much.